This is Dr. Reti. Now today we are going to explain in this problem 7 log of 2 power 4 by 5 into 3 plus 5 log of 5 square by 3 into 2 cube plus 3 log of 3 power 4 by 5 into 2 power 4. First of all, here 7 log of a by b formula here using a means 2 power 4, b means 5 into 3. So log a by b means log a minus log b, log 2 power 4 minus of log 2 power 4 minus of log of 5 into 3, that is minus log 5 minus log 3. Next that using same formula 5 log of 5 into log 5 square minus log of 3 into 2 cube, that is right, minus log 5 minus of log 2 cube. Here also same formula 3 into log of 3 power 4 minus 5 into 2 power 4 using the formula log a minus log b. This can be written as minus log 5 minus of log 2 power 4. Okay, 7 into here log 2 power 4 according to the formula 4 log 2 right here minus log 5 minus log 3 plus 5 into log 5 square means right 2 log 5 minus log 3 minus log 2 cube means right 3 log 2. Here plus 3 into log 3 power 4 means right 4 log 3 minus log 5 minus log 2 power 4 means 4 log 2. Okay, multiplicating by 7, 7 4s are 28 log 2 minus 7 log 5 minus 7 log 3 plus 5 2s are 10 log 5 minus 5 log 3 minus 15 log 2 plus 4 3s are 12 log 3 minus 3 log 5 minus 3 4s are 12 log 2. Simplificate this plus 28 log 2 here minus 15 log 2 minus 12 log 2 means minus 27 log 2 plus 28 log 2, that is log 2. Next that plus 28 log 2 minus 27 log 2, that is log 2. Log 3 means 7 log 3 minus minus 7 log 3 minus 5 log 3 minus 12 log 3 plus 12 log 3 gets cancelled here. Okay, log 5, next that minus 7 log 5 plus 10 log 5 minus 15 here plus 10 log 5 minus 7 log 5, that is 3 log 5 minus 3 log 5 plus 3 log 5 gets cancelled. Therefore, hence log 2 is the required answer by the given logarithmic problem 7 log 2 power 4 by 5 into 3 plus 5 log 5 square by 3 into 2 cube plus 3 log 3 power 4 by 5 into 2 power 4. Okay, Thank you.